Welcome back to the Blue Garage, guys. I'm Greg. New truck here, new ZR2. Just got the last fit LED bulbs on in the reverse lights and the license plate lights. Next project is right here. We're gonna get started with the backflip MX4 tonneau cover. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that like button as we get through this project. Truck doesn't have a drop-in bed liner, so we're going to put the weather strip right across the back side of the bed alongside the cab here. And next we're going to put our rail on here. As you see, there is a rigid edge on here where it's going to sit perfectly onto the bracket. So you're going to put that alongside the bedside, making sure the silver piece is closest to the cab and facing inboard. Get your bracket on, get it where you need it. One thing I forgot to mention, before you tighten these all the way down, or as you're tightening down, put downward pressure to seal the waterproof seal on the edges. That way you don't have any leaks coming in from underneath the brackets. Before you put the tonneau cover up on the rails, what we're going to do is put the little female end to the buckle on each end. There is one on either side, one over there. Next, we're going to open up this baggie of all the goodies here. So as you see, we have a locking bolt here. We're going to push it down through the hole. I'm going to show you what we have here. I already pulled these off. Little protective piece of foam here. We're going to poke that through just to protect the underside. And it helps keep it watertight as well. We're going to do that on both sides, but after that, from the underside, we are going to go rubber washer, metal washer. There's actually 4 rubber washers provided, so I'm going to do 2 on one side, but rubber washers, metal washer, and then a locking washer here, and we will secure it. Next, we're going to take off these little rubber caps on the sides of the bed. That's where the drain tubes are going to go. So in order to get those in, just slide them down in. Might have to fight it a little bit just to get it where you need it. And then they go on the corner over here. Same on both sides. All right, next we're gonna put on the safeties, basically a bumper that keeps your bed, whenever completely open, from hitting your back window or your cab. Put one in the center and then one all the way on either side, or just about maybe an inch away from either side. Basically what that does is when completely open, they sit here in between, you know, shatter any windows, nice foam pad. And when locked up, you're going to lock these all the way down over the support bars on either side and screw them in place, and that way you can transport items in your bed. All right, so now I'm going to close the tonneau cover all the way. And we're going to make sure we're good to close the actual tailgate here. I haven't locked the entire tonneau cover down yet, but I want to make sure that everything sits where I need it. Oh, watch your head on your garage. All right, it looks good. I might need to move it back just a fraction of an inch. Pretty simple to do. I'll show you how I do that. So the way these unlock, there's a little cable on either, or on each joint. You're gonna unlock it at each joint. And all I'm going to do, since I haven't tightened it, I'm going to pull it ever so slightly from either side, making sure it sits evenly and parallel to the back of the bed. Once I get it where I want it, I'm going to lock down each joint. Cool. Awesome. Then you just want to come up here and make sure it's sitting where you want it. And this is exactly where I wanted it. So we are good now. All I have to do is secure those back corners, tighten those down, and we are finished. All right, guys, that's a wrap. Backflip MX4. Got it from Premium Performance Products. If you want yours, all links are in the description below. Thanks again for tuning in to another video. If you liked the video, hit that like button, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time.